Before the war, there was an 8-year-old boy who lived in Warsaw. He loved trains and he loved to travel. His dream was to go by himself from Warsaw to Lodz, which was a considerable journey. Over and over again, he tried to persuade his parents to let him go, and over again they told him he was just too young. But he wouldn't give up. Persistence won the day, and eventually his parents told him he could go. His mother packed him sandwiches, and his father took him to the platform, right up to the train as far as he could go, and just as the train was leaving, his father pushed an envelope into his son's hand. He said, "When you get near the end of your journey, open this letter." The train left the station, and the young boy was floating in seventh heaven, alone on a train. The beautiful scenery sped by, blurred occasionally by wisps of grey and white smoke from the train's engine. The wheels of the train chattered away, congratulating him on fulfilling his most precious wish. The train's whistle trumpeted his success to the world. He opened up his sandwiches and decided to eat one now and save one for later. The afternoon came, and the sun started to carve a lazy arc into the rolling hills in the distance. People started to look at him. Who was this young boy by himself on a train? Some of them looked a bit strange to him. The carriage started to get dark, and the landscape greyed into night. His euphoria started to dim, and was replaced by a slight twinge of loneliness, and then full-blown fear. He was alone. And then he remembered the envelope. He put his hand into his right pocket. It wasn't there. Then the left pocket, it wasn't there either. Finally he found it, and with trembling hands he opened up the letter, and it said, "By the time you read this, it will be getting dark, and you may be feeling a little lonely and frightened. But don't worry, I'm in the last carriage on the train. Love, Daddy." Even when the night is closing in and we feel very much alone, we should know that Daddy is riding right there along with us in this last carriage of history, and that we have nothing to fear.